Hi everybody, welcome back. How are you doing? Good, I hope. Let me close that door so I can get in here. Okay. I hope you can see me okay. I still haven't mastered downward, but I hope that you can see okay. This is for budget video. Hello. The 15th through the 30th of November. And again, I'm a beginner budgeter. This has only been my month and a half so far into this. And so recap, the end of last month, no, the beginning of November to the 15th, I thought I would have $71.82 left. I actually had $99.30 left. So that's pretty good. And then this month, the end of the month, we have the last payment for the buyback thing that my husband has to do. So that money, and I don't have an extra pencil. Let me get an extra little tabby here. Okay. So that'll be, because that was $50 every 2 weeks times 2. So that's $100. That will go into my savings account to not get touched unless it's up. That's kind of like our emergency fund, I guess you'd call it, is in there. And so that's going to go in there. The loan for the car, we've got one more payment after this one. And then, so December, the second week of December, that one, we're not going to have that payment anymore. And that's $151.64 times 2 is, well, I got a calculator right here. Let's see. Let's turn it on. 151.64 times 2 equals $303 and change. I won't count the change. $303.28. So that's going to be $403.28 starting next month. That's going to go into savings. That's so good. Okay. So then we did the rest of the bills. I'm just going to show you the rest of the bills. We got the cell phone. I make half payments on my cell phone, so twice a month. And I always end up getting a late fee or whatever. It's like $3 or whatever. I don't care because it goes on his income. So Netflix, TubeBuddy, we use that. I use that for this channel and my other channel. Our Amazon subscription thing, that's the dog bones and the vitamins. The car registration is $41, gets put over to that other account. And I got one more for that, and then I can register the car. Prime, DirecTV, Hulu. I think with all this money right here, between Hulu, DirecTV, and the Prime, I could probably get Dish. But he won't be able to watch his movies that he likes on Hulu. So, one of his credit cards has a $8.32 a month fee because it's the annual fee, but we split it up in the 12 months. So I got to pay that, and then the electricity, property tax. I was taking $164 because it's $300 and something. I have to pay by the end of this month. So he gets another check. So I divvy that payment up between the two, so I would have money if we need food or whatever. I split that payment up. So after all of that, figuring, I got $779. And the tax credit is over in that other account. That's the, what is it called, the sinking funds account, that's what that is. And I haven't figured out yet, I mean, it's easy to talk about, but to do the cash drawer and stuff in the envelopes. I gotta go back and look at this and do a different video on that, so you know what's going into that account. So 700, I have not gone grocery shopping or put gas in the car yet. So, groceries I'm kind of limit this week for the next 2 weeks because it's Thanksgiving, and I'm only gonna get necessary stuff. I'm not gonna go spend $300. I'm hoping I'll be under 200, so that would be good. And then gas in the car is gonna be $30, probably $50 between my little car, because I got it back, thank goodness. So for the Focus and the Fusion. The Hummer has gas, so I don't have to put gas in it. So about $50 I'll put in those two cars. So I'll minus that off. That still leaves me $720, something like that. I did get a couple more presents for Ariel out of this. I think I'm down to like $650, I think. So that's not bad. So for this month, I'm hoping to do pretty good with this. I'm getting there. And so I have $100 that's gonna go into like the Christmas, the sinking funds one. That, and yeah, so that is it for this budget. I think we're gonna do okay. I still need to be better. I mean, I'm getting there. Like from the time before, I only had $30. Then I had $90. And before that, I didn't have anything. So I'm trying to limit the impulse buying. That's my problem. So I'm trying not to do any of that. So, but I think this is good news. That's going to be for next time. So that starting in December, this money will go into that savings account. So that's awesome. So anyway, that is the budget for this end of the month. Not too bad. There's some things I need to subtract out of here. I know one of them is gifts. I spent $40 for Ariel. So I know that's 729. And my checkbook, I know I have 600 and something. So, and I think it's because I haven't paid this yet. I haven't paid that yet. So, I think we're going to do okay. And I haven't subtracted out the gas. So, and that's probably about right once I subtract the gas out. So I got 739 change, 28 minus 50, 28, 689. So that's about right. So that's pretty good. I'm doing pretty good for one income. I've been trying to look at those online work from home things and to see if I can figure out what I can do to pitch in. So anyway, so I'm going to figure the cash stuff out and then we'll be back with a video with that. So thanks for watching, guys. It's beginner. I'm not by any means know what I'm doing. So that's my breakdown for this, for the next 2 weeks. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We will see you again soon. Bye now.